Holy shit, that looks so sick. First hit of the day. Holy shit.
Oh, this thing is ridiculous.
Yeah, go for it, send it. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to today's video. This is Everything S550, I'm your host Zach, and let's get on with today. So today we have an absolutely epic video planned. So for most of you that have seen my content in the past, you know the one thing that I've always wanted to put on my car, and that would be the RTR Grille. And after months and months of waiting and finally trying to get my hands on one, I got it. I got the RTR Grille. These light up. If you don't know what an RTR Grille is, like here's a picture of it like on a car. It's absolutely sick, or you could skip ahead to see it. You got the triangle lights that light up on both sides, and then you got a intake tube so you could push air through the cold air intake and provide more power to the vehicle. It's been impossible, it's been a long journey trying to get my hands on one of these things, but I was finally able to do it. Before we continue on with today's video, let's talk about the one major announcement I have. So, my big announcement for today's video is that the new Summerline merch is out now. Here's a little preview of the store. It's absolutely awesome. We have everything from tank tops, t-shirts. We even have stuff for like wall tapestry. We got stickers, phone cases, anything you can imagine, it's on that store. We got a brand new logo. It's absolutely sweet. So it'll be the first link in my description, so you guys gotta go check it out. Anyways, let's continue. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start packing up this RTR Grille. I'm gonna go to the local shop, see how much it would be to have installed and do the lighting. I would say I'd install it myself because it's not hard to pull the front bumper off on that car and install a grille. The only problem is I'm not good with wires. I don't trust myself to wire that up properly, so I'm gonna leave it to people who know what they're doing, because I don't want to mess it up and turn my left turn signal on and have it like show my right blinker. It's just no, yeah. So I'm gonna bring it to some people, and then after I drop my car off, we are going to get my vet and have some fun. I forgot how loud this car gets. Like literally, as soon as I let off the throttle, it's just non-stop backfiring. That's ridiculous. Alright, let's pull in and get this settled.
Eventually.
Alrighty, so the car is officially off and ready to go. It is being painted right now. So I just got off the phone with the collision shop. Turns out my grille needs to be painted because it is plastic. So it's gonna stain, it's gonna get lighter, it's gonna turn gray over time. It's just not worth it. So right now it is being painted and getting all set and ready to go, and we will head on out and go pick that up, I believe tomorrow, because the paint needs to cure, etc. But for now, we got the Corvette, so we're going to go toy around in that for the day and have some fun. Oh. First hit of the day. Holy shit! Holy shit! This thing's nuts. We're doing the speed limit. We're doing the speed limit. I promise. But holy crap! Does this thing get up to the speed limit in no time? The reason I love this car so much is it's fast, yes, but it's like also it could just be a cruising car. It doesn't necessarily have to be this insane drag car. Like, yeah, when you hit it, it goes, but holy crap, like, it doesn't necessarily have to be a dragster. You can just take this around town and have fun with it. We're all about cars, we're all about having some fun, so it doesn't mean we're not going to do some crazy stuff with it. Oh god, this car is ridiculous.
Oh God, there's something just so special about this car. I don't know what it is, but holy crap, it is ridiculous. It's surprisingly comfortable too. It's like, I love this car. I could daily this car, but you know what? It's everything S550. We love Mustangs on the channel. They're fun, you can mod them out super easy. I don't know how easy this is going to be to mod it at least, but we'll make it work. We'll have some fun with it. But it's one of those cars as well too, like even if I didn't want to mod it, like at the same time I kind of don't want to mod it because it's so awesome. Like just base stock, it's just freaking awesome. That's what, these cars are just, they are perfected from the factory and it's unreal. You can change the exhaust tone, you can do anything you want, like just bone stock. Alrighty, although that was a very short drive, I'm sorry, I don't have all the time in the world today, but we did have time to take this thing out and have some fun with it. Let's park this thing and then I'll see you guys back inside. Okay, so timing just worked out perfectly. I just got off the phone with the head of the collision shop, and my car is already done. I am surprised that they got it done today, like beyond surprised actually. I'm super excited to see it. So I'm gonna have my buddy pick me up and he's gonna drop me off at the collision shop and we're gonna take the Mustang home. This is gonna look sick. Holy shit, that looks so sick. It's going down for real. Holy shit. I am absolutely overwhelmed with the job that they did. It's awesome. They painted it, they did everything that needed to be done. The reason it was painted was because it was plastic. As I said, it's gonna fade over time. So they did a gloss black, which I'm absolutely in love with. The old grille is inside. That's gonna be hanged on the wall at the S550 house. And it's just, this is next level. I love it. So in order to get this thing to work, you gotta turn on your headlights every time you need to, or when you want it to run. Unfortunately, you couldn't do daytimes unless you had to rewire everything, and it would have been a whole mess. I can do that in the future, but I just don't have the time right now because I am going back down to Virginia very soon. So right now, that's just not gonna work. But I might go back in the future and just have it get a splitter and hook it up to the daytime so it's on all the time. But right now, I'm very happy with the result. It looks absolutely insane, and I'm beyond blown away with the result. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section. It is very, very hot in this car, so let's go back inside and talk some more. Okay, now that we're back inside, I wanted to take the time to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, watches my stuff on TikTok, YouTube, everything. You guys are the ones that make this stuff possible. So if you want to, go hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Just like it up, share it. So when you subscribe, that gives us opportunities to do more crazy shit like that. I'm absolutely blown away. Also, check out my TikTok, follow it there. You'll have some fun. Here's like all the ads. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited. Leave your comment down below of what I should do next to that car. I'm beyond excited for what's to come next. Please, once again, just leave your comment down below. Your input could be chosen. That could be the next thing that gets done to the car. So please check it out, leave your comment, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.